आत उलोवपाचो म्हण जाल्यार आतां हे people who are come from abroad who are facing their EMIs issues, people who are come from ship who are having EMI issues. Everyone is is finishing their money now. सगळ्यांगेले पयशे काबार जायत आसा आनी सीएमागेले पयशे भरीत आसा सीएम आनी कांयच कोना सीएम. 277 crores which he has waived off, that money could have been given to the government, to the people who are above the 60 years of age. ते देखून दिल्ले जाल्यार ते 200 crores जाताले if you have given 10,000 for one person, but that he doesn't want to do. He doesn't. तुमचे दुसरे म्हण जाल्यार GST collection जाता. Goa collects GST of almost 300 crores, out of which salaries they put around 250 crores. Why is, first of all, how do you all deal with the GST? There has to be clarity of how the GST also works. हेजी कांय क्लॅरिटी ना, गव्हर्मेंटागेली मातशें क्लॅरिटी ना. And now people, my only concern is the people's daily wage workers right now, तेंगे कित कोता तें. People who have EMIs, people हें कितना जालें, कित सोल्युशन येवपा जाय आतां. आमी झगडीं करून कांय मेळपाचें ना. We are fighting amongst ourselves and nobody is ourselves, then we can defeat this evil. This evil government which is there can only be defeated if everybody sits and discuss what their problems are, solve the matter, whatever it might be. Everything has to be solved and we have to take the greater evil out. देंवचारा भाशेन गव्हर्मेंट आनी कांय न्हू. गोवा मायल्स हाडलें गोंयान. Good concept. I'm not saying the concept is not good, but what benefit are you giving to the taxi drivers? Keslo benefit ha tumgelo Goa Milesacheri? There is no benefit at all in Goa Miles. टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर आज टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरा काम ना, कांय ना, त्रासां पळो आय ते. केसलो फायदो? टॅक्स हारिको नाई? सगळें हारिकोताय न्हू टॅक्सू. आय एम व्हेरी डिसअपॉयंटेड. हे गव्हर्मेंट सारकें कांयच केलें ना. इतली GST कलेक्ट करून, सगळें कलेक्ट करून, ते GST खंय वयता ती कोणाक खबर ना. It is not about the advisors of the CM. Metron, it is not about the advisors of the CM. The CM has very good advisors. He has very good advisors. He has advisors who will tell him exactly what is to be done. And that's the problem. The advisors are very high. Advisors good for him to be elected. Advisors are good for him to tell how to cancel the 277 crores which have to come from the casinos. And let me tell you something. 277 crores is the income of the casino. How come? Why there is no transparency? Why there is no gaming commission set up? The income from the casinos has to be at least 4,000 crores. And that 4,000 crores have to go to the people of Goa. If you all are going to have the casinos, have them in a proper manner. But if you all are having, you show us where is the income. Otherwise, get rid of them. We don't want casinos. Already the people are having so many issues right now. You all started casinos. They have become a COVID hotspot. And then on top of that, you all are waving off the Ashkon Cholpana. My stand on coal is no coal in Goa. My stand on coal is very clear. From 2016, I have posted against coal, and I have also spoken out about coal. So yes, my stand on coal is that's the problem. But for coal to come to Goa, forget about the BJP being the problem. For coal to come to Goa, the main problem has been the Congress government. The main problem has been the Congress government, the CM Digambar Kamath led government looted the state of Goa for at least 9,000 crores every year. 9,000 crores every year almost. And then the coal, the iron ore thing stopped, the mining, and then we were introduced to this coal. So if you go to see, the root cause of the problem is the Congress. The BJP are continuing. They are just one party. Now also is the same situation. All the old war horses of the Congress, the grandfathers, are coming to contest and to join back to the BJP. That's it. What are the other topics? Yes, that we have to do something about the. I am working on it, on how to work something out where people don't have to pay the EMIs and all to the government. If there is something that can be done, I'm working on it. So let us see. Let us hopefully see what we can do about that. Again, coal, it is the same thing, when it comes to coal, we have to just say no to it, and that will be only done by doing it together, not the way right now how it's happening. Everybody is doing everything individually. Everything if done individually, see, everyone has problems. Unity only in a united way we can defeat these evil forces. Yes, Glenn, the unemployment is very high and the situation is very bad. I know I've got a lot of calls where people are asking for jobs if there are any. If people are telling that they are selling their vehicles, etc. This is putting us around 5-6 years behind. It's putting our people who are working abroad another 5-6 years behind because it's a struggle to survive right now. Metron, if the Congress started the loot, it means BJP. No. The Congress started the loot and BJP is continuing it. They will never stop it. Why will they stop it? They are the most corrupt. And this is the reason where everyone is getting involved and they are saying like the Congress started and all. Yes, I'm telling the Congress started. But it's like a company. If tomorrow if I'm buying a company, I cannot keep blaming the previous owners of the company that the company is in loss till today. If you are taking over something, you should have a way of solving. What advice would you give to the so-called activist? See, what advice can I give? Everyone knows what needs to be done. End of the day, if you want to do something, you have to do it in a united manner. Community. Denzel, the only way to get united is first we start speaking to everyone. So let us start talking to everyone. Let us in the next 2 months sort out whatever differences, everything. Let's in a united way decide what we have to do. We have to take care of our people. That is what we have to do. We have to take care of the population that is going to be above 14%. We have to make sure we have jobs here in Goa. We have to make sure we have that people who are already having their businesses like this, people who are having taxis and all, their businesses continue. We have to support them right now. Yes, Chinchinim Glen, I've seen that, I've heard about it. Very good initiative by them. The only way is coming together. There is nothing else. Everyone has to come together right now. We have seen whatever is happening right now in Goa, nothing is going to change if people don't come together. What about Madai River issues? Central government. See, Madai issue. Everyone is talking about Madai, but people who are talking about Madai do not have have a solution on it because they are responsible for it. Now the Congress Goa in charge who's come, he is one of the reasons why Madai is part of the Madai diversion. He is responsible for it, and he is Goa desk in charge. How can this Congress people get Madai back when their in charge itself wants Madai to be given to Karnataka? Metron, I've spoken to most of them, and everyone hopefully is, are talking about coming together, and it's going to happen soon. People are going to come together and fight this evil. It's definitely happening. Absolutely, Morris. We have to sort out, and everyone just this things are not going to be sorted just like that. We are all going to have our differences, and we have to sort it out. We have to speak and sort it out. Only by speaking, those issues will be sorted out. Yes. वेलकम बाब. फिलीप नॅरिकोन कितें विचारपाचें म्हादयचे कडेन? फिलीप नॅरिको कोणें कितें विचारपा जाल्यार तेगेले 90 lakh in 2007 he had 90 lakhs, and 2017 he had 9 crores assets. That is at least ask him that how you can do that. Maybe if everyone follows his blueprint, people of Goa will become rich. But that's not the way to get rich. Absolutely. Morris Bab change korpa chahta. Let us all do our part to unite the people of Goa. Let us unite whoever are fighting, and let us sort the differences and fight this evil. Aap move against present government. Aap move against government. I will not talk about it, because see, Aam Aadmi Party, if you go to talk about them, it's about how serious they are, and I don't see any seriousness when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party. It's one thing to talk, it's another thing to do. See, I don't go to talk much. If I can do something about the topics that I'm talking about, then I talk. Otherwise, I don't talk about the things. Till today, whatever I speak, I do. So yes, I'm talking about the topic of the taxi people who are struggling, because I can do something about it. I'm talking about the population of Goa that is above 14%, because I know I can do something about that also. And I will talk about it. The senior citizens, all the people who are above 60 years of age, I'm working on a model where we can give daily, monthly some percentage to them, some money. So, and after I work on it, then we will pressurize the government to do it. So definitely I'm working on it. Any other questions? Malcolm, the thing is, with Aam Aadmi Party, they have a few good people who they are not serious. If they were serious, then definitely. I myself have tried and communicated with so many of them, but to no use. So we have to forget about them. If contesting elections by RG as political party, do you think they will disturb the minority votes and bring BJP to power again? See, I don't want to talk about RG, because RG is, when you have to talk about RG, I don't look at RG as an enemy of mine. I look at BJP as the enemy of mine. Yes, with Manoj, I have several times I have tried to contact Manoj to, speak to him about what is his views, how he wants to do it. If tomorrow I cannot just go and support anyone. If we have to support RG, or if the way everyone is messaging about RG, first Manoj has to talk what he is, he has to talk to people. He should at least know to answer a phone call. Now he's not answering a phone call, then what more I can say? I used to support him, to be honest, before, till I tried calling him and he never bothered to reply. Nothing against Manoj, he's doing his part. Let him do his part. If he really does something good and he does it, be it. But if not, I at least intend to, unite everyone. See, my intention is to unite everyone. If we can unite everyone by taking people's questions, answering their questions, that's the way we are going to unite. We cannot just keep on giving a lecture and then expect people to talk to us. We have to take people's questions and we have to answer them, and then we can sort out this. This live is only about taking people's questions, answering whatever their problems, and trying to work something together. And when I'm saying together, whoever you all are supporting, whether you all are supporting RG, you all are supporting anyone, please feel free to give your suggestions. You all can support whoever you all want. At least give a suggestion. If all of us can do something about it, it doesn't matter who comes to power, who puts party, or whatever happens. We can definitely, everyone's ideas are welcome. What we can do. Like, for example, lot of people come and tell. So we have to work. Are you in favor of ballot paper voting? Yes, definitely ballot paper voting I'm favor of. If United States of America are doing elections on ballot paper, then why our government is doing on EVMs? And I honestly don't trust EVMs. I've seen one video today, young people dancing today regarding different issues. I should go. People use dance and yes, I've seen the videos. They are doing a good job. Good awareness programs. I think they are led by Cecile. I'm not very sure, but yes, they are doing a very good job. See, one more thing, guys, everyone is, we are fighting among ourselves. Last few days, I've seen the way people are attacking Cecile. Whatever her differences are, if she has said something to you guys, when I'm saying you guys regarding the RG matter that she said, there is no need to, attack her. She is doing her bit. If we are going to attack people like this who are also fighting with the government, then what is the point? There is no need to attack anyone. Please stop attacking people. If you all have some differences, ignore them, block them. Don't attack people like that. We'll get together with. You mean if I'll get together with Manoj for better? I don't mind getting together with anyone. The question is whether he'll get together. Why not? Why don't you all talk to him? Can you make clear of people of which party you are supporting? I have never been a member. John, I have never been a member of any political party. So, till today, anyone can show me a membership of their thing. I have never been a member of any political party. Definitely not going to support any political party, at least which options which are there. Aam Aadmi Party, I don't know. I like the concept of which is there in Delhi, but the more I look into the party, something's not right over here in Goa. I would not want to make any comments against them, because I don't want to make any comments on Aam Aadmi Party, because I have some friends over there and I respect the people who are working with them. but maybe something is not right. So no, I'm not going to I'm not supporting any political party as of right now. I believe in giving a better option of an united option. If everyone is ready to get united, then yes, politically yes, but it should be a united option. Congress is never going to do anything good for us. Some people only want to detect mistakes in somebody's work. They are protesting. Yeah. No. Oswald Baba, please don't say sir and all. Don't say sir. I'm not a. Don't say like that. Do we have any? We have so many issues in November. First of all, the double tracking is an issue for us, entire constituency. We all know what our MLA is doing. I don't want to comment on him, because even if you comment on him, there's no point. He will not understand. He will come and tell you all that vegetables are being transported on that. Can youth come under you for a job? No government job, at least put us in. Yes, Tyson, I am looking. I'm helping out some people with private jobs. Whatever I can, I'm trying to. Even some jobs in Dubai and all. If anyone is interested, we have some things we can try in the coming few months. So yes, if someone is looking something, I will help. No problem. Obviously, no problem. Thank you, Oswald. Illegal voting cards, yes, they should be cancelled. But how are we going to check into the illegal voting cards? We have to have some sort of a system, and actually the only way illegal votings and a solution to that is we have to pressurize the central government to have a voting card system where the votes can be transferred only once in 5 years. That is the only way we are going to stop illegal voting cards. The cancellation of voting cards should be once. It has to be like that. They have to make a system for it. Marfan, you say it is in 2022, but it's not going to happen just like that. By not talking to people, not coming together, everyone acting the people who are trying to fight for the same cause. It doesn't work like that, Marfan. You know it. I have spoken to you so many times. I think Supriyanka has spoken to you also. Free electricity in Goa. Now talking about electricity. See, the problem is these people who are thinking that electricity coal is required for electricity. I would like to tell them, coal, electricity, coal. Why such issues about coal? You can get electricity from even garbage. Waste to electricity is also a project. If it is on my hand, I would have done that. Any discussion? Marfan, I also have had people tell me about the Aam Aadmi thing, but see, I will not talk about it because I don't know about it. But yes, some deals that I've heard about it, not very sure. Be united and make one strong party to defeat division and Congress. United, I think it's not happening because there are other parties also. There are few regional parties which are very dangerous, worse than the two devils that we are talking about. RG for election means direct BJP with manager. See, RG for elections is a topic which I don't want to talk. Why I don't want to talk is because they are not a political party yet. So if they want to do something, they have to come up with an open plan and speak to people. And people are not fools right now. If tomorrow you are not going to unite with people who are doing some work, then it's not going to help. So no point on that. Till Congress do not remove the Sanghi from their party, Congress will put on. No. Hello. Something is wrong with my phone. Can you hear me, guys? Am I audible now? Now? Raghav Chadda, I don't want to talk about them. Do you support Pogo? Marfan, good question. See, we definitely need something to say about a Goan. We definitely need to give benefits for a Goan. So yes, I do believe that benefits have to be given to Goans. 100% agree with that. But the thing with Pogo is, I've seen the bill. Though the RG people never gave me the copy, I've seen the bill. I have shown it to a lot of people, advocates, and I have got a reply also from them about why it is not possible and what is possible. See, there has to be a lot of changes when it comes to Pogo. See, I am not, Marfan, I told you before also, with me, I am never going to tell a person a lie which I cannot do. If you can go and see till today, whatever I have spoken, I have done. See, one thing I believe in is, telling something which I can do. I don't think I'm capable of passing the Pogo bill not because I'm not capable of pulling the people and getting it done like that, but I'm not capable of getting Pogo done. I don't think anyone is capable of getting Pogo done. So why should I tell people that I'm for Pogo and fool them? That's not going to happen with me, and that's the only issue I have actually in regards to Pogo, because the lawmakers are saying that it's not possible. So that's the thing. Can you tell us who you want us to support? No, I don't want to say about it. Until and unless everyone don't come united, there is no point to it. Everybody should be united. You fools have nothing to do, please. John, it's not about that. We don't have anything to do. I think you don't have anything to do. That's why you are watching. If you don't want to watch, you can go. No party yet defined a Goan. All saying they will give status to go after election. We want to Pogo bill. Why not special status? Can get special status. We are talking about special status again. What happened? What happened to Kashmir? Kashmir's special status is taken away. What happened today? We saw that Congress guy Urfan Mullah went and joined BJP, and he's talking about the community. What happened today? The CAA, NRC. What happened? Nobody is talking about it. This is the problem with us. Our memory, public memory, very short. Has NRC and CAA thing sorted? They still went ahead with it. No. Marfan, Congress, BJP, Goa Forward, MGP, UGDP, what any of the parties till today have done? Have not done anything. So for us to say, for you are saying RG is the only hope. I'm saying RG is not the only thing that is giving people hope. The hope is when people unite together. The hope is when everyone sits together and discuss what is to be done. The hope is when you have people who are in their 20s deciding what we want for Goa. That's hope. According to me, who is a Goan, Marfan? Again, good question. According to me, who's a Goan? See, when you define a person, no, a human has everything. All of us are basically same. Maybe we look different. Humans, we look different. But end of the day, we have everything similar, same. We are same. We are all humans. End of the day. A Goan is a person who, when you go outside Goa, you have definitely been out of Goa so many times. So you will, you will notice that people look at Goans as people who are very generous, helpful. Goan is a feeling. It is a brand. Goan is a brand. People look at Goans as very good human beings. That the touch of the heart connect. That is Goan. Agreed with you. Unity will see. Loyal Rodriguez, is not that unity will not happen. Unity will definitely happen, and it's going to be. And we need everyone to come together. Santosh Tari, state registration bill is the need of the hour. Yes, Santosh, I have read your. Thanks for sharing the state legislative bill. I've shared with some people about it. I've gone through it. It's a very good concept. It is something I have also, based on your concept also, I'm working on the concept which I spoke to people right now on the live. How we can benefit the people who are above 60 years of age. Yes. United we will win the battle, so let's not fight. Exactly my point. There is no point in we fighting against each other. The only person that we have to fight is with the BJP. They are the ones who are the corrupt. We all need to understand that, and we have to fight with the main enemy, the only enemy. They are the only enemy. Hanif Sheikh, why schools and colleges not upgraded over children's safety first, and what government plan if anyone does get connected? Hanif, I cannot answer you that question. I really don't know what they are going to do. Marfan, let's do one thing. I am also saying let's define a Goan. So why don't me, you, and and Manoj sit with 5 lawyers and let's talk about it. So if they say it can be done, 100% I'm going to come and support you guys. So let's. I am also for doing it if it can be done. Why not? Metron, absolutely. It can be preserved. My topic about all this Pogo is I want to know how we can stop migration. If we want to save Goa, we have to stop migration. Is Pogo going to stop migration? Is it going to stop people from migrating from Goa? No. It's not going to happen. People who want to migrate will migrate. I am, to be honest, you can dial me up, we can talk. I am actually working on something where we can actually stop migration. We can give a wonderful life, and I'm working on something where even people who are in London would want to come and be in Goa. Yeah, so that is something we need to work on. We need to work on how we can keep the youth of Goa in Goa itself. And not just by keeping them for getting 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 salary, how they can make around, a quality life, how they can lead a quality life and make a good income. So yes, maybe you can dial me up. You are trying to say no, Congress is not good. Congress is not the answer at all, Clinton. Definitely not. Romaldo Rebelo, he is an all-rounder, gone everywhere. BJP, Congress, go forward. Okay, let me tell you. Since you are talking about it, gone everywhere. What are you talking about? You can go and check your facts. I am a person. I'm talking about something to unite the people. I'm talking about fighting a battle. I really do not care about Goa Forward. I do not care about the Congress. I do not care about the BJP. I don't care about the MGP. It is not about a single party. It's about, I'm talking with people, and for me, everyone is the same. We have to speak and we have to find out how we can unite the people. That is what I'm talking about. That's why I'm on the web, on the Facebook Live, to take people's question, answer what we can do, and unite people. Everyone has to play a part in uniting. And by the way, Romaldo, please do check your facts before speaking anything. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, Raj. Every party members have frogs mentality. How can we trust them? We cannot trust them, John. That's simple. How can we trust them? Yes, Santosh, you're absolutely right. I've read that, and migration can be controlled, and actually it can be controlled and stopped. See, it's a very good concept that you guys are working on. So yes, maybe we can, Santosh, me, you, everyone can sit together and decide about it. Andhra, where there is a will, there is a way. Yes, we can. See, Marfan, when it comes about that, where there is a will, there is a way. Yes, definitely it will be passed only to be, stopped later on. Reality is just 40 individuals. So no one question them. It's no point in talking about any MLAs. Hanif, yes, I will look into the sports part, definitely. The thought of keeping guns in myself is great. How is that? What I'm wondering. If you have a plan, that's great. Here you on Lina, yes. Yes, I have a plan. I'm working on it, but I need a lot of updates from people. Yes, it's a very good. It's something I'm working on, and it's something I will do it. Yes, Cyprian, I will be live more often now. Let us come on live, discuss things, and work towards getting Goa back to its actual. People get better opportunities elsewhere. How can you stop migration when there are better prospects for people outside Goa? Amit, it's not that you cannot give people better prospects. If you're talking about it, there are people who go and work in different countries. And yes, they are going over there, but prospects, you can definitely give them what they are getting there. It's how the government looks at development. Development is not about structure. Development about how you can make people earn more money. Development is not about giving people free electricity. Development is about people not needing the free electricity. So that's it. I will not take more time, but let us still work on all these things what we can do, and then definitely we can do better. So if we want to do better, let us discuss what is to be done, and then we can do something. Why the government don't give machinery for agriculture free so that people who have and can cultivate? Like now it's different to find people to work. Yes, Janvito, when it comes to the machinery and all, I'm looking into that also. We have to boost agriculture in Goa. So yes, anyone interested in agriculture, who want to boost agriculture, just send me a message on Facebook. I am working on ways they can earn extra income. And yes, definitely, because I myself I'm into exports of agriculture. So there are different things we can do to earn money, good amount of income. So yes, definitely. Just send me a message, Janvito. I will talk to you about it. Let your unique awesomeness and positive energy inspire confidence in the. Thank you so much, Robert. Thank you so much. Robert, if you also have some suggestions, do drop in a message, and then only we can decide how to go about it. So yes, give me your suggestions. Most welcome. Denzel, development is building roads, bridges, infrastructure, not every. See, development, when you're talking about development, what the BJP is doing, that's not development. Development is when you do the roads properly. You have to, they are doing roads for what? How are they doing the roads? There is a science behind doing the roads. Just because you want to do roads and you put the people to work and just take the commissions and all that, it doesn't work. The roads are not done like that. There's a system to it, and I will share how roads have to be done, the science behind roads, and not having to do roads again and again. I will share it in 2-3 days. I'll work on it and I'll share it with you guys. You can follow me on that. Alfredo Di Costa, Baba, saying one word will not put you in power, will not change. It is about structuring, it is about unity. Your ideology is something different, which can create a lot of difference, with lot of benefits to our going to be benefit your voice. Yes, Raj, I want to, when I'm talking about something, it's about what we can do. And agricultural development we can do, yes, we can do this kind of things. We can make sure we give benefits for the people of Goa who are going to be above 60 years of age. Yes, we can do all these things. That's why I would like to talk on that. Okay, guys, I'm going to disconnect now. Sorry, the live was interrupted again and again, so couldn't do it well. But yes, we will work, definitely. Let's work together, whoever, whatsoever. Let's not have any enmity. Let's not look into who we are supporting and who we are not supporting. Let's look into what we can do better. Let us do better. I'm not saying anything more than that. Let us unite to do better, and that is something we definitely can. Right now the people in power are not scared, but when we do, and when we do something unitedly, they will definitely be scared. last question. What do you think about RG leaders and also who wanted to be an RG leader? There are some RG leaders who are involved in encroachment. See, when it comes to RG, why are you all, John? It's not about what they are doing. It's about what everyone can do. Let them do what they are doing, their part. They are doing a lot of good. It's not that they are not doing anything good. It's the only thing they don't want to unite with people. And right now, it's not going to solve the matter. The only thing that is going to solve is we uniting, everyone uniting. So let us not talk about RG leaders. Let them do what they are doing. They are also fighting with the government. No, let them fight their own battle. Okay, if we can assist them, let's assist them. Let us not talk about that, RG and all that. Let us fight with the actual people who we have to fight. We have to defeat the current government. So let's talk about that. Development, not in the name of destruction. We do need development, but Robert, development, what development we require is we have to take, the people are, we have to do agricultural development. We have to do, medical development. We have to, why not these developments? Why not educational developments? That is that development we need. Yes, Cipriano, I will make the WhatsApp groups. Everyone who is interested in making coming up with strategies and all. Let's do it. John, they have just 14 months, so let us not talk about them. Thanks, Baptist. Thank you, Raj. Support is you let me, whatever help you all need. If I can do something, will definitely like to help whoever I can. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, good night. Sorry for the live interruption. Good night.